Hey guys, it's me again, Barry from Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I'd like to take the time to thank everybody for putting up with my videos. They're obviously pretty low quality. I use old-fashioned equipment, basically security cameras with better lenses. My editing is... This is my editor right here. There is no editing to speak of. I do all my camera switching right here as I'm doing it on the fly. What I'm recording goes straight to DVD, and then that DVD gets put on YouTube, and then the DVD itself is included with the customer's paperwork, just in case he has trouble upon installation, wants to make sure that the radio itself is okay. He can pop that DVD in and watch me running through all the paces. So this radio is out of a 67 T-Bird. It was an AM-8 track. It's now an AM-FM 8 track. Customer requested the FM conversion. The head sounded absolutely horrible. There was no treble at all on the 8-track function, so I replaced the head. And so I'm switching it up a little bit today. I'm gonna do the weak stations first, because I like to demonstrate the balance and fader functions on the AM band where there's no popular music being played, so that I don't get nailed for copyright. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to a weak AM station.
Why do you do it? Because it's that extinction.
Okay, then here's another weak one. Okay, and then a strong one.
Hundreds of thousands of Americans.
Okay, there's our strong station. Now let's demonstrate. Now one thing I'll say is this radio is missing the outer shaft. That's normally the balance control. That's not a problem because we've got a balance control right here in our tone control, and I'm going to show you how it works right now.
Extremely well established.
Going to need our output level meters.
They've been around for decades, like ivermectin.
Okay, I'm going to activate the virtual front rear fader first by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right. So let's try that.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. So now the same control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance. Okay, so I'm gonna center it, let it time out.
American medicine has killed.
Fader set.
Fader set. Okay, now the balance control. Same procedure, except we turn this control twice to the left.
It can be approved.
Balance adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting your left-right balance. So we have a balance control after all. Okay, I'm going to center that. Stop adjusting.
Balance set.
Balance is set. All right, let's try the 8-track function. Got some. We don't need these meters anymore. Got some Anil Sedaka in a Anil Sedaka case for a change. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Alrighty, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. The last thing to check is the dial light, and you can see that peeking out through that translucent cover there. So everything's working. She's ready to go right to the customer, and we don't need to worry about the missing balance control. You can just kind of slide your knob on the shaft behind the tuning control, and you'll be okay. So on that happy note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. My phone number and website are in the description below, and I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with 15 minutes worth of questions about, what all do you do, my prices, options, turn times, and all that stuff. Please visit my website for that information, and then call me after that, and we'll turn it into a 5-minute conversation just to make sure I'm a good guy, and to make sure that you've got it packed right and all that stuff, instead of a 15-minute massive confusion, because neither of us really knows what's going on, because I can't remember my entire catalog during a phone call. So please visit my website before calling me. Thanks for watching and listening. This comes from Steve in Boise, Idaho. Thank you very much, Steve, for your business all the way from Idaho. See you guys next time.